Hey y'all, it's TT Lavish, and today the sun is out and I will be too very soon. So today we're making do-it-yourself body lava. I'm so sorry. You know who. We love you, but whoo, too expensive. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make your own body lava at home. Keep you glowing, glossy, and beautiful all summer long for just $6. $6. Y'all heard that right. I'm sitting on 2 chairs today because my sister is going to join us because she wants one of her own as well. I have been using my body lava. I used the whole bottle, so I need some more. And today, y'all are going to make some with me. Come on. Come on, girl. Here's my sister, Nori. Say hi, Nori. Hello. She's gonna join us today because this stuff is bomb. Everybody's always asking me for this. You're gonna need some baby oil. Today we're gonna do a little mix with some vitamin E oil too for hers. You're gonna need some glitters. These glitters are from the Dollar Tree. So this is the loose eyeshadow that we're gonna use in our body lava. But I use this as highlight sometimes, and it makes an awesome, really fine shimmer in your body lava. So we need that today. They have so many colors. There's so many different shades of like golds and bronzies, and then they also have like silvers and pinks and purples if y'all want to get fun and crazy. So you have to pick that up. And then the final ingredient, the most important part that everyone leaves out of their body lava. This, can we not make faces while I'm talking?
I was gonna be like, Tello says. Tello.
So the final ingredient that you need for this body lava that everybody forgets, you need to add this to your body lava. This is what makes it body lava and not oily glitter mess. You need baby oil gel. Baby oil gel. You can pick this up for $4. I love this baby oil bottle because it has a flip cap to it. I was looking everywhere for you guys where I can find a mini one with the flip cap, and I went to so many stores I can't find it. So the twist cap is fine, but what I'm going to use today is a hand sanitizer bottle for one of my oils because hand sanitizer bottles are nice and secure. And it's little. I can bring it on the plane with me. Good to go. Ready? Ready.
Yeah, so you could have gotten a ball.
I think it's backwards. Now that we got our little empty bottles ready, we can go and add the oil. I'm starting with vitamin E oil and then some baby oil. I like to do like 1/3 to 1/4 of the way because you can always add more oil later. You want this oil in first because it's going to help you mix up your glitter and help you determine what color you're getting for the final result. My sister just informed me today that you can actually bust out the bottom of these glitter bottles with something safe, not scissors, but it's so much easier than trying to pour it out the top. Once you've got the color that we desire, we can go ahead and add our baby oil gel to get the consistency that we like. So this bottle ended up being a whole bunch of the color Radiant. For the next bottle, I'm going to use Honeysuckle, which is more of like a champagne color. And I think I did end up adding a little bit of Radiant as well. You can really mix around and have fun with these colors. It's amazing. They're only $1. So the last time I did this, I used Radiant and Sunshine, which is like a yellow gold. And this time I just wanted to try Radiant by itself, as well as Honeysuckle with Radiant for more of a champagne pop shimmer. So pigmented. We're gonna add some more oil, so What's great about this do-it-yourself is you can change up the ratio of glitter pigment. You can do a lower pigment for daily wear, school work, or a high shimmer for fashion shoots or the club. It's up to you, and you can even change the consistency of the formula if you want it super thick or you want it a real slick oil. So now we've made our body lava. The sun is setting, so we have to hurry up. We're gonna go ahead and try them out on our lovely. Nice. You're missing. So beautiful. Over here we have the Radiant and Champagne, I believe it was. Really don't need that much, but look at that. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love that. The baby oil gel makes the glitter stick and last all day long. That baby oil is going to give you a nice smooth. Oh my gosh, look at her sparkling. Sparkling even my hands. Glowing, baby, glowing. Never need that much, but body glowing. Ooh, glowing. We're glowing. Thank you so much. There you have it. Like always, I hope you guys learned so much. I'm gonna be eating glitter for weeks. I want to give a special thanks to my lovely hand model. She did such a great job. I have a huge mess on this table that I need to clean up now, but I'm super excited. This summer I'm going to be glowing and glittering for just $6. So be sure to try out this do-it-yourself body lava. Tag me or at me or send me your pictures of your body lava or you in your body lava. I am so excited to see you guys slaying your $6. $6, like come on, $6 body lava this summer. These hoops are from 11th Karma. Be sure to go ahead and check out the link below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting to these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, laid, and popping. Look at the mess we made today. Look at this mess. You better make some lava. Ew, an eyelash. Don't need eyelash.
Just look at the color.
It's right. Oh, I can't see.